Southeast Asia is often seen as an easy, budget-friendly destination. However, without technical preparation, your dream trip can quickly turn into a financial or legal nightmare. In the next 20 minutes, I'm going to break down the 10 fatal mistakes most first-time travelers make in Thailand, Indonesia, Vietnam, and the Philippines, complete with practical solutions so you can navigate this region like a pro. The problem, paying 500% more for unmetered taxis at airports or train stations. Practical solutions. Download local apps. Before landing, install Grab, works in most of C, Gojek, Indonesia, Vietnam, or Bolt, Thailand. Use fixed price features. Always book through the app to lock in the price. No, thank you. If you must use a physical taxi, ensure they turn on the meter. If they refuse, leave immediately. Find official pickup points. In places like Bali, online ride-hailing points are often in specific areas, like the parking garage. Look for ride-hailing signs. The problem: scooter accidents and heavy fines due to lack of a license. Practical solutions. International Driving Permit, IDP. You must carry your home country license and an IDP. Without an IDP, your travel insurance will likely deny coverage for any medical costs from an accident. The video walk-around. Before paying for a rental, film the entire bike to document existing scratches. This prevents fake damage scams upon return. Always wear a helmet. Police in tourist hubs like Bali or Phuket specifically target foreigners for helmet violations. Don't risk your safety or your wallet for a photo. The problem: severe food poisoning or parasites from contaminated water. Practical solutions. The ice rule. In major cities, ice is usually factory-made and safe. In rural areas, avoid block ice. Only trust clear, cylinder-shaped ice with a hole in the middle. Portable water filters. Use a bottle with a UV or carbon filter to be eco-friendly while staying safe. The first aid kit. Always carry oral rehydration salts and activated charcoal in your day bag. The problem: being denied entry to temples or unintentionally offending locals. Practical solutions. The spare sarong. Always keep a light sarong in your bag. It's essential for covering shoulders or legs when visiting sacred sites. Foot etiquette. In Thailand and Indonesia, pointing with your feet or putting them on tables is highly offensive. Never touch anyone, especially children, on the head in Thailand, as it is considered sacred. The problem: card data theft at compromised ATMs or blocked accounts. Practical solutions. Use bank branch ATMs. Avoid standalone ATMs in dark or isolated areas. Only use machines located inside official bank branches with security guards. Choose local currency. When paying by card, the machine will ask if you want to pay in your home currency or local currency. Always choose local currency to avoid predatory exchange rates set by the machine's bank. Separate your cash. Keep your daily cash in your wallet, but hide a backup credit card and emergency USD in your hotel safe. Your phone is your travel command center. Before you land, download Grab for rides, Gojek for rides, Foodpanda for meals, Grab Food for meals, Google Maps for offline navigation, Maps.me for offline navigation. Buy a local eSIM at the airport or via an eSIM app. Target 10 to 20 gigabytes for a 2-week trip. Add your primary card to ride-hailing apps. Turn on two-factor authentication for banking and email. Star your hotel, star your embassy, star your hospital, star the airport, so they're one tap away. In crowded areas, share live location with a trusted contact. Use Meet at PIN, not vague directions. Take screenshots of bookings. Take screenshots of QR codes. Take screenshots of tickets so they work even if data drops. These tools also help you dodge ATM and cash traps by paying in-app and avoid diversion scams by checking hours and routes on maps before you detour. Keep a small power bank in your day bag. Keep a short cable in your day bag. Low battery is the most common trip killer. The problem: being diverted to high-pressure jewelry or tailor shops. Practical solutions. Verify via Google Maps. If a stranger tells you a major landmark is closed for a ceremony, check the official hours on Google Maps or walk to the ticket booth yourself.
No, thank you. The polite no. In high-traffic areas, many will try to sell you things. Simply say, no, thank you, and keep walking. Stopping to just look signals that you are open to being persuaded.
Quick recap of your digital toolkit. Ride-hailing apps for safe pricing. Offline maps for dead zones. eSIM, local SIM, secure payment apps with notifications enabled. Cloud-stored copies of your passport and insurance. Star critical locations. Share live location when moving between spots. Verify opening hours and closures on Google Maps before detouring. Keep screenshots of bookings. A compact power bank ready. With these tools, you'll move faster, avoid scams, and stay connected. Southeast Asia offers some of the best experiences in the world if you come prepared. Remember, preparation is 80% of the trip. Use technology, bring legal documents, and respect local norms. For a deep dive into travel costs in this region, check out my video on Lombok versus Labuan Bajo. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe for more factual travel guides. I'm Muji Jibu. Safe travels.